Lori, from a bird's-eye view. In the northern reaches of Armenia lies Lori, a land of verdant valleys and timeless traditions. Nestled between the rugged mountains and fertile plains, Lori stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of nature and history. From the serene flow of the Debed River to the tranquil waters of its lakes, Lori's natural beauty is unparalleled. The dense forests and diverse flora and fauna create a vibrant tapestry of life that changes with the seasons. The vibrant greens of the forests and the sparkling waters of the rivers and lakes highlight Lori's natural beauty. The summer sun bathes the region in warmth, fostering a thriving ecosystem that is both captivating and serene. Amidst these natural wonders stands the Haghpat Monastery complex, a masterpiece of Armenian medieval architecture. Founded in the 10th century, Haghpat is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, revered for its historical and spiritual significance. Perched on a hillside, Haghpat Monastery overlooks the Debed River, offering breathtaking views of the valley below. Its walls, adorned with intricate carvings, tell stories of faith, culture, and resilience that have endured through the centuries. Not far from Haghpat lies Sanahin Monastery, another gem of medieval Armenian architecture. Built in the 10th century, Sanahin, which means older than that one, complements its neighbour with its own unique history and artistic expression. Sanahin Monastery stands as a testament to the rich monastic tradition of Armenia. Its libraries and schools were centres of learning, preserving and passing down knowledge through generations. The harmony of its design and the tranquility of its surroundings make it a place of profound reflection. Further into the heart of Lori, the Odzun Church rises with its striking basilica form. Dating back to the 5th century, Odzun Church is one of Armenia's oldest and most significant religious sites, embodying the deep spiritual roots of the region. Built upon ancient foundations, Odzun Church has witnessed the passage of centuries. Its architecture reflects a blend of early Christian and Armenian styles, standing as a monument to the enduring faith of its people. Kayan Fortress, a sentinel of the past, stands watch over the Lori landscape. This medieval fortress, with its robust walls and strategic location, played a crucial role in the defense of the region. From its vantage point, Kayan Fortress offers sweeping views of the valleys and mountains. Its history is etched into the stones, recounting tales of battles, conquests, and the relentless spirit of those who defended it. Perched on the edge of a cliff, Horomayr Monastery is a hidden gem in the Lori region. Dating back to the 7th century, this secluded monastery offers a unique blend of architectural beauty and breathtaking natural surroundings. Horomayr Monastery's remote location adds to its mystique and charm. The structures, carved into the rock face, demonstrate the ingenuity and devotion of its builders. Overlooking the verdant valleys below, the monastery stands as a testament to the enduring faith and resilience of its inhabitants. Under the vast expanse of the sky, Lori reveals its timeless beauty and enduring spirit. The mountains stand tall, the forests thrive, and the rivers flow with the stories of the past. Each element of this landscape is a testament to the region's rich heritage and natural splendor. Join us on social media to explore more of Lori's breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in more content like this, subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Your feedback and support help us continue sharing the beauty of Armenia with the world.